support his mom. He work as a mechanic, earning 2,000 rupees, not in a day, in a month. How much rupees? 2,000 rupees. Now tell me, how can you support your family with 2,000 rupees, my dear friends? 2,000 rupees. But the day his upline showed him the plan, he had this one quality in him. He wanted to change his life, and he believed himself that yes, I can do. Let me try. Let me start. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with one step, and this is the person who's taken that step, one single step. My dear friends, today this guy, this person, this handsome person, wonderful person, strong person, is making an income of more than 1.3 lakhs. The best way to support his family and taking care of his mom very well. I'm very proud of you, bro. Very proud of you.